Guess who came to visit? Lee and Jam.
Not sure it's for me yet, but it's pretty good so far.
Chipotle grill. For the first time. Burrito's bigger than my hand. The last bite. Burrito and 3 tacos.
People up over it. Today, man, there's one.
So we're here at the Bull Nice Palace trying to ice skate. Damn! This is where I'm gonna be all day. Facebook pics.
Let's go! Yeah! Pro. Da-da. Da-da. Get him on the ground! Down you go!
I hate you!
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Oh, jeez.
You got the bowl. You got the Java Dunkin' Donuts. What's up, skinny pimp?
I'm gonna go trip out.
Damn. Yeah, we got about 2 inches.
Okay, weatherman.
Woo! Okay, weatherman. Dude, he just scraped up all that sand. Now he's gonna scratch the shit out of his windshield.
No, windows are actually made of sand. It's gonna counteract the strength.
Fuck you. It's gonna turn it back into sand.
Yeah. So George's fucking it right.
Jordan's talking to himself. God bless you.
I'm allergic to snow. I kind of feel like just going sledding right now. Jordan! We're gonna die. Okay.
Jordan's been washing that same thing.
We're still not gonna die, so.
We're not gonna die.
Okay! Are we sledding in Jordan's driveway?
We're here at Boners.
Fuck that shit, my money, yup. You niggas just run those up.
It's a winter wonderland. We're outside. Corey's snowboarding. I'm really cold. Do it.
You gotta lace up, man.
Lace up.
Ah, it's cold. Oh shit, yeah.
Jordan looks like a little kid.
There's a car coming!
Oh no, Jordan! Let's go! Tim Burton in the house.
Commit, dude, commit!
Is it Tim Burton?
No.
No?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Commit, dude!
You're at a commit level, you're standing on it.
Don't go sideways and you're fucking screwed. Oh, man. Oh, my. I got close. Good job, dude. I'm mighty proud of you.
Corey? Corey?
Actually,
Do it, Corey.
attempted.
Do it! Yeah, son. It's fucking freezing. Sorry if the camera's shaking. Corey, I hope you fall. 21st, cows and clowns.
Oh, it's cold!
Dude, your brand new jacket. It's ripped.
There's snow in my butt.
Oh!
No.
It's aqueous.
It's aqueous. You see the water moving?
Look, right? Ready?
Yep.
Wow.
Please do it.
Oh my god, nothing happened.
No, wait, it's happening.
Looks like it.
It's
I don't
frozen.
think anything's
It's frozen.
happening.
It's frozen. It's aqueous right now.
Is it only with,
Oh my god. Jordan, you asked me.
is it? Fuck.
I guess so. That was real helpful.
That's gonna break the bottle. Oh, wait.
See the ice?
Ice
That's
bubbles.
pretty chill.
That's ice. That's ice right there. That's ice! That's ice! They're just ice bubbles. Wait, it's still going.
Oh, I'm sorry, we got a snap.
It's still going. Look at the size.
That's so weird.
It's still going.
Dude, that's
Now flip it. Turn it.
No, it's not doing
that's so
Oh!
30 seconds! Hurry up! Open it! Open it! Open it!
So at some point in the night, Corey managed to get my camera from me. I didn't even know. So here's some of the footage. It was a 6-minute clip, so I had to cut it down a little bit, but I kept some of it in there.
My word, sir, you're very bad. I miss you, girls. We just to let me be your alcoholic hero. I'm not the girls. You hear me?
Do you miss Tyler?
Ball, can I get that? Boom, can I get that? Boom, can I get that? Boom, give me the on the back, can I get something around that? Run, train. Can I get me, get buy me a bottle of rosé?
Is that right, Corey?
What?
You're in love with Nicki
I'm
Minaj?
in love. I have a picture. She's my background on my laptop right there. I swear to God. Carl Goldberg! Fuck yeah! I'm really such a lady. I rap Young Money. You know Slim, baby. We can run out of money to the baby. Oh my God. Michael Jackson dead.
Small pyramid of Giza, please. That's what you said.
Carl Goldberg's in the fucking building. Haven't seen him since 8th grade. See Carl Goldberg smoking. Carl Goldberg. I can't believe you're here. Oh my god. Who wouldn't want to fuck that? Smooth criminal. Talk to a building, motherfucker.
Shit stain. Shit stain. Long shit stain.
Jamie, don't ruin it. Shut your fucking mouth. Let's go. I gotta be like that.